Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is I, Karen Deneen, back with another video. And in today's video, I want to share with you a simple Dollar Tree DIY. So if you're interested in seeing what I made, then stay tuned. So the items that I'm going to be using in this DIY will be the glittered styrofoam eggs that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, candle holders from the Dollar Tree, and also E6000, and I've already glued them together just to save some time. The other items that I'm going to be using in this DIY will be a pink bucket, also from the Dollar Tree, and the egg garland that I've already taken off of the ribbon, some stirs, and some berries, also from the Dollar Tree. So as I've stated previously, I've already glued 2 candle holders together. Next, I'm going to glue the egg on top of the candle holder with my glue gun, and I'll be right back. And here are the eggs and candlesticks glued together. Now on to the next part of the DIY. So I used a hot glue gun to glue the little eggs and the straws together to make a pick. Voila! So there you have it, my coffee station Easter decor. So there you have it, my coffee station Easter decor, done mostly with Dollar Tree items. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below. Until next time guys, bye-bye.